Good morning everyone. Today we are going to perform the DSU practical, the fifth number practical that write a C program to search a particular data from the given array of the string using the binary search method. The which CO is match that apply different searching and sorting method. In this practical we will learn what is binary search, why binary search is faster than linear search, how binary search work on string, implementation of binary search in C language. So the what is binary search? What is binary search? A binary search is a searching technique used to find an element in a sorted array. In a The most important is the sorted array. Instead of checking every element one by one, binary search repeatedly divides the search space into the two halves. Because of this, the binary search much faster than the linear search. The condition is the binary search is the array must be sorted, and for the string should be arranged in a alphabetical order. The string should be arranged in alphabetical order means the first string is apple, then the second string is banana, and the next is mango, next orange. So these strings are arranged in a alphabetical order. So now we understand the one example. We take this example and we add here another is pineapple. Hmm. So suppose we want to search the orange, means our key is orange. So our first step is, and the indexing we give us that apple is 0 in 0 index, banana in 1, mango is on second index, and orange is third index, and pineapple is on fourth index. So now we take two variable that low and high. So the low take the lowest index, and the high is take the last index, that one is fourth. So if you want to find the mid, the formula is for mid is equal is low plus high divided by 2. So now our mid value is low means 0 and plus high means 4. 4 divided by 2. The is nice that like that 0 plus 4 divided by 2 is equals to the value is 2. So now our mid value is 2. So we compare the our key with the mid value, means what is the comparison is key compare with mid. So our key is orange and our mid is second, and second number means what is the second is mango. So we take that mango. Hmm. So mango is the means in alphabetical order. Yum is first, then the orange is last, means O is next. So the mango is greater than the orange in alphabetical order. If we take that the orange is next, the mango is first, means orange is greater than mango. So we search in right half. So we search in right half. So now the our value is updated that low and high value. So the low value we want to check in the right half, that means we need to change our low value. So low value become mid plus 1. So the value mid value is our, before mid value is 2, so mid plus 1 means the now low value is 3, and the high is not changed, is 4. So the now mid value is 3 plus 4 divided by 2 is equals to, so now our mid value is 3. So let's compare the key with what? Mid. So the our key is orange and our mid value is 3. In the third index the value is orange. So it's match. Our element is found. After the element is found, we add here break, so we don't need to again find out the element. So our program is 10 minutes. Now let's execute the program. Here the hash include stdio.h, it is input output, it is standard, means it is input output library. Here we take one header file, that hash include stdio.h, it is a standard input output library, it is used for input and output function. And next we use the library that hash include string.h. The string.h is used for a string handling function like strcmp. So this is the our int main, it's the entry point of our program. After that we declare some variable. First of all remove that, and we declare first character because we need to work on string. For that I take one character, 2D character, to store the string. After that we take one search element. The search element is for store the search element. str 1020 is store up to 10 string, and search is store the string to be searched. Again we need some another variable, that int n, low, high, mid, found equals to 0, and container is I. The low and high, we need to store the lowest and low number means first index and last index. Mid to calculate the mid, and found is a flag that give us a signal the element is found or not. Next we write one message for user, that enter the number of string, means how much string user want to enter. To store that number we use scanf to read the value which given by user and store it into the n variable. To store one each and every element into the array, for that we use for loop, and for loop start from 0 because our starting index is 0 and it's go up to the n variable. And for the next element we use I plus plus, and inside the For loop we use scanf to read the string given by the user and is stored into the str array. And user must be enter the sorted array. For that, next one message is printf enter the string to search. Enter the string to search, and that string we store into the search variable. For that we use scanf, the store in the search. Again we need to declare one our low and high value. That low is 0 and high is n minus 1. After that we take one while loop. The while loop is for the element is still remaining in the array or not. If the element is going outside the high value, then the low value is greater than to the high, that means the element is not found in the array. After that we found the mid value, that low. The formula is for low plus high divided by 2. After finding the mid value, we compare the two string which given in the array and our search element. For that we use another variable res strcmp to compare the two string. The first one is search and the second one is which currently in the array in the mid index. And this strcmp function return the integer value 0 and the minus. For that we use a integer to store the result. After that we check if the res equals to 0, that means the element is found. If the both string are matched, this function return the 0. That's why I write here res equals to 0. If the res equals to 0, first of all update the found value is 1, that means the element is found. And here we write break. Again we check here else if else if res is less than 0, that means it's not found, then high equals to mid minus 1, and in else we write the low equals to mid plus 1. After that outside the if while loop we write here if found, and print here string is found, else printf string is not found. Now let's check the output of the program. So here they come the one error that here we not write the semicolon. We're missing the semicolon. Here also the semicolon is missing. Here also the semicolon is missing. And here the semicolon is missing. Okay, can rerun. So it asks the enter of number of string that I want to enter the three string. So three strings is apple, banana, and mango. And I want to search the banana. So the message is string is found. Another, if the string is not found in the list, so I enter the Bharti, Puja, and Fale, and I want to find the again we try to run the program that we enter the three string that Bharti, Puja, and Vale, and we want to search the Lakshmi. So the string is not found. So overall working of this program. Okay, so this is the program.